Hi everyone, it's Mike, and today I'm going to do a review of Zippo emergency fire starter. So this is made by Zippo, as you can see, bright orange, fluorescent orange colour, and it is a spark wheel, and it comes with 4 of these Tinder tabs which you can buy refills for. So I'll just bring that closer to the camera, hopefully you can see that. There's the standard spark wheel which can obviously refill the flints and stuff, and then you get 4 of these Tinder tabs. So I'm just going to take this Tinder tab out now. What you do is you buff it up. My hands are incredibly cold. Could do with a fire. Hopefully that might light. There. Just put that down. Don't know if you can see that or not. Just trying to warm my hands up. So this is like a waxed cotton ball that's been compressed, so that you can fit 4 of them into that small little package, and the burn for a few minutes. As you can see, if you display them all out, if you pull all the fibres out and everything, it'll burn for less time, but compacted like it is now, it's burning for a while. So hopefully you can hear that it's quite windy and stuff as well. So, and this is on wet ground as well. So the actual fire starter's doing very well. You know, if you had this under your tinder or your twigs or anything like that, you're probably gonna get a fire going, really. Don't really have any doubt about it if you do your preparation right. So that is the Zippo emergency fire starter. Great little product. I don't know whether it competes to like a fire steel or anything like that. I don't think it really does, but for something to bung in like an emergency pack or your survival kit, or carrying your cargo pockets every day or whatever, it's perfect. So thanks for watching guys, stay tuned, I'll see you on the next video.